What is your name?
My name is Mike.
Where do you live?
I live in Yangon.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What is your job?
I work in a company.
Why do you study English?
I want to go abroad.
Where do you study English?
I study by my own.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English very well?
I can speak English very well.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for 2 months.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 1st.
How is weather today?
It is cloudy.
What time is it now?
It is 9:45.
How do you go to work?
I usually go to work by car.
Is English easy or difficult?
English is easy.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 0134.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What is your email address?
My email address is mg@gmail.com.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is on 62nd Road.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mandalay.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What time do you go to school?
I usually go to school at 8 a.m.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to market.
What are you doing now?
I'm reading.
How much is it?
It is $5.
What do you do every day?
I listen to music and read book.
How long does it take?
It takes 1 hour.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 months.